Hello, you're with Libby from libbystamps.com, and I just thought I'd pop in today and show you how I made this card. I've used the designer series paper called Falling in Love. It's on page 51 of the new Occasions catalogue. And I'm also using the Succulent Garden ribbon combo pack. Right, I used the Sweet Sugar Plum on this card, but on the card we're going to make today, I'm going to use the metallic ribbon combo, just a silver one. So you get 2 rolls of 6.4 meters, gold and silver flecks through them. Absolutely beautiful. You get those free when you order $90 Australian from any of the current catalogues. I've just cut a piece of A4 card in half, and this is Sweet Sugar Plum. And then the very vanilla I've cut to half a centimetre smaller, so that's about 14.3 by 10 centimetres. And if you're looking for imperial, there is a converter in the right hand side of my blog. So that's that bit, and we can just put that aside for one moment. And then the next piece I've done is Sahara Sand and the DSP, and I've done them half a centimetre smaller again. So they're 13.8 by 9.5, and we're just going to glue them together, and we want plenty of adhesive on the back of the DSP because we're going to actually cut it at an angle, and we want it, so see how I've put quite a bit of adhesive on that, and then I'm going to stick that to the Sahara Sand. We're actually going to make this one a little bit different to the previous one. So the previous one I used a sentiment out of Sweet Cupcake, and I've just glued that straight down. This one I think we'll do with some dimensionals. We've got our card and we want to bring in our sentiment, and I'm using one from the So In Love stamp set, and I'm using just a day to celebrate. And you want to get your ruler and measure it. So it comes at the widest point, about 1.5 centimetres. So we're going to make our opening at least that much, and I'll show you how I do that. So what I want to do is I want to have this sitting on there like that, and I want to have my slope going that way. So I bring in a pencil and I'm going to put a really light mark on there and there, and then I'm going to transfer that tick mark to the back. Alright, so I've got one there. So I'll put one there, hope you can see that, and I've got another one here, and I'll put that one on the back there, and I'm just going to draw a line between them with my ruler. Alright, then I'm going to measure a point that's about 1.5 centimetres down. So put another tick mark there, and another one there, and I'm going to rule a line. I just like to rule the line so I know I've got them parallel. Alright, so that's looking pretty good, and I'll bring in my trimmer. And I'm actually going to trim right along that line. So I line that up in the gutter of my trimmer and trim down, and then I do the next one the same, line it up in the gutter of my trimmer and trim. Alright, and I can keep that little piece for something else, maybe a sentiment or something later on. Now I bring in my pieces, and I've got this piece here and this piece here. Alright, so on this one I'm going to put my Stampin' Dimensionals first because it's the bottom. Then I'll go ahead and adhere that to my card. My top piece I'm actually going to put the ribbon on, so I'm going to bring in some tear and tape. Alright, and I'm just going to put that along the top edge, just so my ribbon adheres there. There we go. And then I can go and add dimensionals to that for when we're ready to adhere that to the front. Our front's ready to go. But we need to do our stamping. So I've got some sweet sugar plum here, and I've already put my sentiment on, ink it up with the sweet sugar plum. And then I'm going to use the angle of my layer at the bottom to angle the stamp. There we go, day to celebrate. And now I'm just going to take the dimensionals off the back of my top piece. I might just turn my card around so I can see what I'm doing. Lovely. And then I just need to tie my bow. And there we have our card. So there's two cards there, made with that Sew in Love DSP and some of the Succulent Garden ribbon combo and the metallic ribbon combo from the Celebration catalogue. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.
Hey, if you wanna play, make it a better place. It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw out